Clear summary of the paper you linked from PRX Quantum, DOI, 10.1103/1 WWV, Based on available sources, page facing up title user-friendly truncated Wigner approximation for dissipative quantum many-body systems by Hossein Hassanabadi, Oksana Chelpanova, and Jamir Marino, PRX Quantum, 2025, APS link +1 brain. What the paper is about. The authors introduce a practical framework for applying the truncated Wigner approximation, TWA, to driven dissipative quantum many-body systems. These are quantum systems where particles interact with each other and with an external environment, leading to loss, decoherence, etc., a scenario that's typically very hard to simulate accurately. APS link magnifying glass tilted left. Key ideas. Truncated Wigner approximation, TWA, originally a semi-classical phase space method used in isolated quantum systems. The paper adapts TWA for open/dissipative dynamics. ResearchGate. The authors connect TWA to the semi-classical limit of the quantum Langevin equation via a path-integral representation of line-Bladian dynamics, the formalism describing open quantum systems. ResearchGate. Their framework lets you replace full quantum evolution with stochastic differential equations for classical variables that approximate quantum behavior. ResearchGate. Rocket. Why this matters. Computational efficiency. Their TWA approach is much cheaper to run than exact quantum simulations and often simpler than existing approximations like cumulant expansion methods. ResearchGate. Because of its simplicity and efficiency, this TWA adaptation could allow researchers to model complex quantum dynamics on ordinary computers without needing supercomputers. APS link. The method works across a variety of physically relevant systems, including lasing models, central spin problems, driven Rydberg arrays, and correlated emission in free space, making it broadly useful in AMO and condensed matter contexts. ResearchGate. Puzzle piece. How it fits into the bigger picture. Simulating open quantum many-body systems is a central challenge in quantum physics and quantum technologies. Standard techniques often scale poorly with system size and time. This work provides a bridge between quantum dynamics and classical stochastic models, which could be used as a starting point for both theoretical studies and practical simulations in quantum optics, atomic physics, and related fields. APS link. If you want, I can break this down with equations and visuals of how TWA works step by step, or compare this method with other mainstream approaches like Monte Carlo wave function or cumulant expansions. Just shout. You said, the formula for zero simulates quantum computing on a classical hardware, and am I really interested in a comparison between the method that is presented in a user-friendly truncated Wigner approximation for dissipative quantum many-body systems paper where the authors connect TWA to the semi-classical limit of the quantum Langevin equation via a path-integral representation of line-Bladian dynamics, the formalism describing open quantum systems.
As I'm doing my research, I'm sitting here thinking about there is a ton of stuff that I could use from this research to talk about everything. And I'm not finished yet, so I don't want to stop and do that.